This is my presentation for animated narrated PowerPoint, created by Juliana Frank. I made a quiz on Moore's Law. Gordon E. Moore was born in 1929 to the present. Question 1. Moore was the co-founder of Answer. Intel Company. Question 2. In 1965, Moore predicted that computer processor speed would improve at a Answer. High rate. Question 3. A transistor is Answer. The electrical switch of the microprocessor. Question 4. In 1971, Intel's first chip was built with a Answer. 10 micron, 10,000 nanometers. Question 5. Which material was used in the transistors as a semiconductor? Answer. Silicon. Question 6. In 2019, what size processors were created? Answer. 5 nanometers.